Good morning and welcome to Drone News. Let's get right into your daily briefing from Quad Drone Lab. Right now, two huge forces are shaping the entire drone industry: global conflict and corporate ambition. So first up, let's head to the battlefield. What's happening there is changing everything for defense.
The war in the Middle East has created an urgent need for new defense solutions.
This is creating massive demand for everything from surveillance to counter-drone tech, a huge opening for K-defense. And what's really interesting is how the US is adapting, relying way more on AI and unmanned systems. Take Project Maven. It uses AI to analyze data, spotting targets faster than any human possibly could. But it raises a serious question. As machines make these calls, who's responsible when they're wrong? Okay, let's shift gears from the battlefield to the boardroom, where a totally different race is on. Major corporations are betting billions, and I mean billions, on what's called urban air mobility. Just look at Hyundai. They've completely restructured their entire company to go all in on UAM. And a whole supply chain is popping up to support it, from advanced batteries to next-gen telecom. So what's the tech that makes all of this possible? That's the key question, right? It all comes down to technological independence, moving away from relying on foreign components. Check this out. Acrosar's ASA V6X is a great example. It's a homegrown, high-performance flight controller. And then you have Taysom's DroneWork, software that can manage over 100 different drones at once.
This kind of made-in-Korea tech is the foundation for leading in both defense and commercial drones.
So what's the takeaway? We've got defense needs and commercial ambition converging to create one massive surge. Things are moving so fast. So to stay on top of it all, you need a reliable daily source. And that's exactly what we do here at Quad Drone Lab. We give you what you need to know every day. Now, to keep getting these daily updates, you'll need to join our Quad Drone Lab channel membership.
For a deeper dive on any of today's topics, just head over to our blog for all the sources.
That's all for today. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next briefing.